How to use Fiverr on multiple devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you through how to use Fiverr on multiple devices. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Install Fiverr application on your primary device. That is your phone. Download it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and set up your account. And make sure that you log into your account. Next is make sure that you need to download or install Viber on your secondary devices from Apple Store or Google Play Store or the Viber website on your desktop or laptop, and make sure that you log in using the same phone number and password as your primary device. Now you need to simply link the devices. For that, when you open Viber on your secondary device for the first time, it will prompt you to link it to your phone. Follow on-screen instruction to sync your account across all the devices. And with that, you will successfully use Viber on multiple devices. That's it. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.